what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed.
Welcome back, guys. I've been really busy. I'm gonna try to crank the VQ Sentra today, and I'm gonna try out some wheels on my Legacy because I'm trying to get some wheels to get the fitment right. So I'll be taking the wheels from the VW because those are 18 by 8.5, and then I'm going to be trying them on the Subaru today. So I'm going to be taking this wheel off right here. I'm going to try it on the front of the Legacy. Let's see. I think I'm gonna try it on the rear and on the front. Oh, this is my boy's RSX. There's a wall right here, so I can't really get any further away so you guys could see how it looks. But it's nice. It's really nice. All right, let's do this. Don't worry, we're starting this today. It's just chilling. Still ain't got the radiator yet, but we're gonna start it up. It's been a while. God dang it. Okay, wheel is off. Oh, let me get some more tools. See, there's gonna be a lot of cuts in this video because I have to be holding the camera while doing this. Looks like it's gonna rain. So these F1Rs are 18 by 8.5. Let's see. Oh my God, it's dirty inside here. Okay, it's right there. 18 by 8.5J. And the series of this F1R is on F21. If you guys are looking to buy the same wheel, that's what the design is like. They're nice and light. I don't know how strong these are, but they're light. So now let's get these wheels on this bad boy right here. Alright, so the wheels didn't work. Bummer. I promise you guys I was gonna start up the Sentra today so you guys could hear it, so let's get to that. Tried to open this door and it's not opening, and I don't want to force it, so I'm gonna leave it alone. The front support for the VW. Still in my way. Let me get this stuff on my way. I put it right where I need it to go. Put you guys down for a second. I don't know if you guys could see. Okay. On. Oh shit. What I did with the keys. God dang. I guess the wipers was on. Come on. All right, I'm see if I could get this started. I'll be right back. All right, so what I did, probably this power pack right here needs to be charged. I had my mini booster. Got this thing off Amazon for $60. I have it down in the link. You guys could pick one up if you need one. So I add the ground to the engine, one ground to the battery from the mini booster pack. Then I have the 2 power right here on the battery terminal. So let's see. Fingers crossed. I think it should work. Woo! Yeah! It's been a while, old friend. let it warm up a little bit, then I give you guys some exhaust notes if I could get back there. Let's watch this temperature gauge because it doesn't have a radiator right now. Woo! Should empty. Just waiting for him to warm up. Oh, I don't think the temperature gauge is gonna work because there's no water in the system, so the coolant temp sensor ain't gonna pick up anything. It ain't gonna pick up any reading. Alright, so alright, let's let it idle for another 5 minutes. Alright, so it's warmed up right now. I haven't let it get too hot. Let me give you guys some exhaust notes. So this car sounds really good. It sounds like a 350Z. Or maybe a Maxima. Well, you let me know what it sounds like. Temperature gauge went up, so I guess there's some water in the system. So, alright guys, if you like what you watched today, like and subscribe for more, cause I'll be doing more. I'm waiting for a camera, action camera. It's like a I think it's the GoPro's cousin. It's good, but it's not a GoPro. That's why I said GoPro cousin. So therefore I'll be able to do more while you guys watch, because I did a lot off camera because I had needed my hands to be free. So subscribe for more, look out for more videos. Oh, I almost forgot, I have a Honda build coming up. It's nothing too fancy, but I'm gonna try to throw together a turbocharged B18B non-VTEC. Damn, I've been talking and the camera was the other direction, but hey, it's whatever. So it's a B18B non-VTEC. The engine is right here. Well, this is the block, and I think the head is in one of these totes. But subscribe for more. Oh, and if you guys know anybody that wants the Acura TL, I got a TL for sale, and needs a transmission in the Bronx area in New York. Let me go out there real quick. You could just shoot me a comment and I give you the location. that's it right there, the silver TL. Yeah, just shoot me a comment and I'll give you the location. You could come look at it. I want anywhere from 700 to 1,000. I shouldn't have said it like that, but 700 is what I want. It needs a transmission, so I ain't gonna kill the person who's gonna buy it because the transmissions are really expensive. So if you guys know anyone or anyone who's watching this video, just pass it on in the New York area. Alright, thanks guys. Like, comment, subscribe.
I gave you my heart.